in third. Gets out on the track, only 2 laps behind. This is a long race, and it can't be a race of attrition, just like any of these races here with only 4 racers, 2 bumping up. Kevin still holding onto that number 1 spot. Saber in second place, coming across the timeline. Kyle in third, working his way. Across the back sweeper and over the tabletop comes Kyle. Cody, no, right now it's Cody. Here comes Kyle across the timeline. And Cody. Alright guys. So far your fast lap of the race is Kevin Pearson. Fast lap is 37.366. Next fast lap is Keith Tabor in second place, 38.143. Kyle running a 44.474. Corey, we're not picking up your transponder. We're going to go ahead and hand count you if we can. Yeah, on the second lap. One Corey comes across. Corey having a little trouble coming across that back sweeper, coming over that tabletop. Corey, we're going to have to hand count your laps. We're not getting you checked in. So we're going to get you 2 laps now. Change of position. Taylor in first place. Taking over from Kevin, but it's a long way to go. Only 5 laps down, 6 laps down, 19 to go. 6 laps down, 19 to go. Keith Taylor, your race leader, followed by Kevin Pearson, Kyle McMartle, and Corey. Behind you. Taylor coming up on my traffic. Corey let him get by. Oh, Corey getting tied up in the tires, allowing Kevin to get by him cleanly. Your race for number 1 and 2, coming across the doubles is Keith Taylor and Kevin Pearson, 1 and 2. Keith's in that beautiful green and orange truck. Kevin in the green and black. Centered on that barrier, giving Kevin a chance to catch up. Kevin closing the gap to about half a second now. We are 8 laps into this 25-lap B main. Top 2 finishers will bump up to the A main. tires. Allows number 1 and 2 to get by. That's great sportsmanship, thank you, Kyle. Still holding on to that number 1 spot. Kevin Pearson right behind him. 1 and 2, 10 laps down, 15 to go. Kyle comfortably in 3rd place. He's going to have to fight to get to that number 2 spot. He's having some trouble coming across that tabletop, that back straight tabletop. Allows Kevin to get by him. So Kevin taking over that number 1 spot now. These two keep trading spots through the whole race. Oh, Keith gets loose. Turns around, giving Kevin a little breathing room. 5 seconds or more. A lot of ground to make up, but he's got a lot of time.